Hi, Angel.
Hey, my future husband.
Are you ready to go to the wedding shop?
Yep, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go to the wedding shop.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, we reached the wedding shop. Welcome to the wedding shop. We have an appointment today on the name Mr. Perry. Yes, Mr. Perry. We were waiting for you.
Let's explore this wedding shop.
Select the different sections of the wedding shop to explore.
Harry, sit here and tell me how I look in this wedding. I want to dress up like your angel.
Please show some classic dresses for Angel.
Give me the best dress up for a bride.
Yeah! Ooh.
This is looking nice, right?
It looks nice.
Oh.
This is looking nice, right?
You're looking fascinating.
Yeah.
How about this one?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey, how do I look?
You're looking fascinating.
Great. Yeah. Yeah. Amazing.
This is looking nice, right?
You're looking fascinating.
Yeah. Fantastic. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah.
Oh my god, I am going to look too gorgeous in this outfit.
Angel, now it's my turn. You will tell me how I look. I want to look elegant in my wedding. Give me the best groom dress-up.
Yeah!
How about this one?
Stylish.
Great.
Yeah!
Great.
What do you say?
Beautiful color.
Fabulous. Excellent. Awesome.
Yeah.
How about this one?
Wow.
This is looking nice, right?
My handsome future husband.
Fabulous.
Perfect. This outfit suits me beautifully. It will look so great at my wedding.
Now I want to have a fabulous makeup for my wedding. I desire a fantastic makeup for the wedding. Give me a dazzling makeup for the wedding.
Cool. Excellent. Awesome. Great. Amazing. Amazing. Excellent. Fantastic. Bravo. Fantastic. Cool. Fabulous. Bravo. Excellent. Amazing. Bravo. Awesome. Amazing. Great. Great. Cool. Excellent. Great. Fantastic. Awesome. Excellent. Fabulous. Great. 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 Amazing. Excellent. Bravo.
Oh, wow. This makeup makes me look like an angel. Harry will be flattered on me. Now it's time to select a crown for me. I will look like a princess in the crown. This angel needs her beautiful crown. Make a beautiful crown like this one.
Awesome. Excellent. Bravo. Amazing.
Beautiful crown. This crown will increase my grace in the wedding. This is my favorite session. Earrings and necklaces is the best ornament in a wedding. I'm always confused in selecting a necklace and earrings. Help me.
Fantastic.
Our wedding cake will amaze all of our guests.
You're right. It's too attractive.
Now we're done with all the wedding shopping.
Yeah, now it's time to start decorations for our wedding.
Yep, let's go and select some heavenly, beautiful decorations for our wedding.
Wedding ceremony.
Let's go, Angel. It's time to go.
Yes, Father.
Now, my daughter is your responsibility, young man. Don't let me regret. Don't worry about her now. She's going to be in good hands.
Select one.
Prince Harry, now you may reveal the veil of the bride.
Help Prince Harry to reveal the veil.
You're really looking great today, Angel. Now it's vows time. Please hold each other's hands. Do you take the bride to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward? I do. Do you take the groom to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward?
I do.
You pledge to love, honor, and cherish the bride, and throughout your years together, be honest, faithful, and kind to her? I do. You pledge to love, honor, and cherish the groom, and throughout your years together, to be honest, faithful, and kind to him?
I do.
I do. Great. Now let's move to the ring exchange ritual. Select a beautiful ring for the...
One from these wedding ceremonies.
So, girls, who wants to marry next after me?
Me!
Then catch this bouquet and show me what you got. Let's see who's going to catch this bouquet.
Toss the bouquet on the jumping pad.
Yay, hooray, I got this.